Falling Waters Horse Camp is true to its name. We arrived with water falling all around us. There were nice dry stalls for the horses. We camped along the creek. Okay, I'm here with Mary Lawrence of the Falling Water Horse Camp. And we came here for the week to ride to see some waterfalls and so on. And I'm interested in your life story. How did you get here? What brought you to this, and where have you come from?
Well, I've been coming here for a long time. I knew Joe really well, and when he died, there was a lot of talk about closing the campground. Okay. So started helping Glenn, and then it kind of just sort of fell in place. So I leased it for 60 years.
What sites do you have here?
I got 25, but I booked 23.
Okay. And how long has this campground been here?
Since 2003.
I've been enjoying being here with you, and thank you.
Well, I've enjoyed you coming.
Okay. The camp is located adjacent to the Ozark National Forest. The area is rugged and beautiful. There are many trails in the National Forest. The Park Service doesn't allow marking the trails, so Mary has made an overlay of the trails she recommends on the app Gaia. Mary also guides campers on various trails. On our first day, we went with her to Bailey Falls. We gathered up and were on our way. On our next ride, we went to Box Canyon. It was like stepping into a Western movie. Can you imagine outlaws camping in this protected setting? Oxbow Canyon came next. We rode 4 miles out on a gravel road and picked up the trail.
I bet that shuts down a lot as it gets hotter though.
Our last day we went to Twin Falls. Mary and her partner guided 8 of us to the destination. If you have not yet subscribed, it's time to click the subscribe button. I will try to provide you something of value by informing, educating, inspiring, or entertaining you. It's all free. Thank you so much for watching.